How to buy ITSWAP token. So this token came under the symbol of IT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free monthly rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply it goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure you check your account and keep following the updates about this token. If you check this post from the MEXC listing, we'll be able to see this token, it will be listed today in the 9 USD. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You'll be able to find the referral link. Go down and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund it to some USDT. Now, how to buy this token? Now go and log into your MEXC account. As you can see, go back to this post to copy the token samples. After you copy it, go on the search and paste it. So you will be able to find this pair ITUSDT. Now click on it. So as you can see, this token will be available for trading in 8 hours. So after this token is available, how to buy this token? Now click on this buy option and click on the limit. Now here type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account and click on buy IT. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy IT. So this is how to buy IT token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.